What is up, you guys? Welcome to another tech unboxing on the channel with me, Raspreet Gill. And today I have the Philips AC4221 air purifier. The box looks pretty awfully banged up, and in all honesty, when Amazon did send this to me, I literally cut the top open immediately to just simply check if it's all new inside, and luckily it turned out to be new. But the box clearly does look like it went through a war to get here. Nonetheless, let's quickly get into the box and see what we have today. Granite metallic finish. Seems like it's a damn generic adapter because it has no Philips, nothing written on it. And that pretty much does it. The box is completely empty. Now to access the filters, all you gotta do is just simply tug onto the front right here. And just like that, the front grill is off. Let's unpack these. There we go. So you'll notice it actually comes with two large filters, one that goes at the bottom, one at the top. And to be honest with you, I really thought one was a spare. But hell no, it ain't. They both are used. Multi-layered cartridges with a pre-filter mesh on the outside. You've got a HEPA 13 layer in the middle for smaller particles. And of course, you have your activated carbon for vapors and gases, dirty smells, whatever it is, right in there. And that's exactly what it is. It's a dual-layered filtering technology with both of these filters right out here. Everything in straight. Front cover on. So good at the touch. So because of the two filters at the top and the bottom, this air purifier breathes in from the top and the bottom, exhales clean air from the middle, which is where the fans are at. And that's very unlike other air purifiers out there that just simply send out clean air from the top, because when it sends out clean air from the middle, it distributes it much more evenly, and it is a 360 setup, so it spreads it all around the room much more quicker. So the top panel on it is a touch panel. It lets you set the fan speed, as well as gives you a live AQI reading and a color ring around it, so you not only can read what the air quality is, but also sense what it looks like.
The Philips Air Plus app connects to the air purifier. It gives you details from the air purifier with regards to the PM 2.5 presence, any gases or even allergens in the air. You can actually take a look at graph and data readings. It even gives you the filter life, as well as lets you buy a new filter from here. Right now it's in the auto AI mode. Let's move it to the highest fan setting, 5, and there you have 5 on the machine.
Become a little bit more noisier. The decibel rating currently, so it is actually 60 decibels is where it is. Let's do a quick pros and cons of the Philips AC4221 now. Beginning with the pros, I love the fact that it has a couple of air filters at the top and the bottom. It enables that clean air delivery rate of 600 cubic meters per hour to flood you with so much of clean air in a really short span of time. 200 square feet, getting clean air in just 5 minutes, which is brilliant. So even if you look at 700 square feet, you're looking at that about 15-20 minutes, you are breathing fresh air, clean air all the damn time. Additionally, I also do love the touch panel on the top of it, AQI display along with that ambient lighting that detects and shows you what kind of air quality is there, not just in numbers, but even denoted by that color right there. It's a very minimalist design, would fit in pretty much in any room that you set it up in. Price-wise as well, we're looking at the 22,000 rupee price mark right now. It's on a bit of a discount because of the Diwali sale and all that, but it's still nearly 14 to 15,000 rupees cheaper than the cheapest Dyson available out there on the market. It even sounds whisper quiet in sleep mode. We noticed that at 15 decibels, you cannot hear a thing. So even if you want to put this in your bedroom, you could absolutely do that and get away with it. And of course, yes, that application, the Philips Air Plus app, it literally tells you on a day-to-day basis how your device is performing and what kind of air quality, what kind of particles and viruses, if any, are in your environment. In terms of the cons, the main con of course is the price of the air filters, because they are in a Dyson territory. You're looking at nearly 6,000 or 6,500 rupees for the set of these two filters. I feel they're very expensive. So going forward from here, what I really feel, most air purifiers of a similar category will always match up in terms of the tech that's on the table. So making a decision to pick up an air purifier would now probably come down to the way your air purifier looks and fits into the space that you're putting it into. I've also seen some other air purifiers that end up giving you more options than just an air purifier. I've seen stuff like mini side stand on the top. You could even use it as a side table or wireless charging deck on the top. So from that perspective, air purifiers are moving into a direction which are going to be multi-utilitarian. So you're going to get not just good air out of it, but you'll get good use too for other things. So that was the Philips AC4221. Now, if you do live in a city where there's lots of dust, smog, or even in your own house, if you have kitchen fumes and stenches just simply creeping in, this air purifier right here is just simply one that you could set up and forget about it. That's why I give it the thumbs up, and I hope you give me one too if you did like this video. I'm Raspreet Gill, and I will see you all in the next one.